Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch this glow spore toad in Fish It Roblox. So the glow spore toad is an epic catch amphibian that only comes out in the crystal depths, and in here I'm going to show you the exact location, the bait combo, and the whether you need to make this neon hopper appear. So as I mentioned before, you can get the toad inside the crystal depths, but for the exact location, as for me, I got it. Actually, you can just because if this is an epic catch, you can just go fish in your favorite spot. So I got it, the first one on the docks in here, and the second one at the top of this crystals right here. And I'm using alum rods with singularity bait as the gear combo. So that's all for me. I hope this one will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.